For my 4-week independent project plan, I learned how to fly the DJI Mavic Pro. Basics to know before flying. Tutorials are your best friend when learning how to fly the drone. You also need to know how to set the drone up and make sure that it's ready to fly. There will be links in the description to videos or tutorials that I used to learn how to do this. Restrictions and safety in your area. A good app that I have is Drone Buddy. Drone Buddy can tell you your altitude restrictions and if it's safe to fly in your area. You also need to make sure that your drone is registered with the FFA if it is above 150 grams. Mastery of technology. Learn how to fly the drone well. First, you need to know how to fly the drone really well and how to go forward, backwards, up, down, right, left. You need to know how to do this because it's way harder to do that, control the gimbal, if you don't know how to do that first. You then can go onto the gimbal where you can hover and then move it up and down and learn how to control the gimbal by doing that. Then your third step you'd want to do is putting both together, controlling the drone and the gimbal at the same time, which is probably the hardest part, but with practice and repetition, you will get it down pretty easily and fast. And then there's also different modes on the drone. There's active track, tap fly, and train follow, which are in the videos that DJI has on their YouTube channel that is in the link in the description. And then, did I like this project? I did like this project a lot because I figured I'd be able to use what I learned for films later on in Vision Tech. I also wanted to see if this would be something that I'd be interested in later on in life. Maybe if I got a job opportunity with working with drones. And I would recommend this to someone else as their project because there's a lot of stuff you can gain from this. Like, there are good job opportunities, and it's a great advancement in your filming. Here is a video of me controlling the gimbal on the drone and moving it at the same time. Here is also another video of me moving the drone and the gimbal at the same time. And here is another one of the clips that I got of me moving the drone and the gimbal at the same time. And that was my 4-week independent project.